Hi Pablo, here are your corrections from today's class, starting with some pronunciation of verbs in the past tense. For example, yo elegí a Carolina del Norte. I chose North Carolina. I chose North Carolina. Or, I picked North Carolina. I picked North Carolina. All right? No he leído ese artículo. I haven't read that article. I haven't read that article. So it sounds like red, like the color. Okay. All right. For some false friends, watch out for accounting and accountability. So, for example, estudié contabilidad y finanzas. I studied accounting and finances. I studied accounting and finances. Okay, another one. Yeah, another false friend. Es la única consola que es portátil. It's the only portable gaming system. It's the only portable gaming system. So only is like for a number of things, right? It's the one that exists. Okay. Cool. Okay. Igual si te viera en la calle en 10 años, no te reconocería. If I saw you in the street 10 years from now, I probably wouldn't recognize you. If I saw you in the street in 10 years, or 10 years from now, I probably wouldn't recognize you. So we can practice more conditionals in another class. Okay. Let's see. Las nuevas consolas se estrenan este mes. The new gaming systems are being released this month. The new gaming systems are being released this month. Or they're being launched this month. They're being launched this month. And then a phrasal verb for like having an advantage over a competitor. So, igual Xbox no tiene una ventaja sobre PlayStation. Xbox probably doesn't have a leg up over PlayStation. Xbox probably doesn't have a leg up over PlayStation.